Hello everyone, today I'll be sharing with you how to make brown rice flour. We're going to start off by adding a cup of brown rice to a 14 cup capacity coffee grinder. If you're new to the channel, make sure to click the subscribe button and the post notification bell next to it so you don't miss out on any future uploads. Press the on and off button switch. The grinder will automatically stop at the end of the selected grind. Your goal is to achieve a fine powder. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to make brown rice flour at home. See you guys next time.